bitch, I lost it. I can't believe that.
Did you have it zipped in there?
No, it just tucks in. And I had it folded out extra so I could see more of it, and then all of a sudden it's gone. Shit. That sucks. And the other man.
Okay, this is 24 C-nuts, or 23.
Yeah, I don't see any of these freaking numbers.
It's on that other side of the pool. We're right here, 22. So, yeah, we just kind of did this fucking thing.
Oh, is that extra little piece? Okay, got it. That was a blast. That was a lot of fun.
So we're here, so we can go, we'll go up to here, and then we can, how are you doing on gas, I think?
I have no idea.
Because we can go, from here we can go up to
Lakewood?
Wabi Lake here, and we can eat there, or we can just go to here.
Oh, there's gas here too. What's this?
Oh yeah, let's go that way then. That's Crooked Lake. We can eat there too, and
yeah, I'm starving.
Huh?
I'm starving. I can
Okay.
eat. Yeah.
We'll just do
So
that.
we're here, right here.
22. Yeah.
So we got to go north.
North to the next one, and then take a left.
Okay.
There's a sign that'll say Crooked Lake.
15, huh?
This is kind of fun. This is a power line thing. It's all sand. Well, it's straight, but
Well, GPS says there's actually a wing, then there's a straight, and then there's another arc here.
Yeah, it said new trail, so that's why I'm wondering if
Oh, maybe it's not on there, huh? Yeah.
So which way is it?
This is where we're at right now.
Is it telling you we're on Butler Road? Old Rock?
No, I can't see that close if, let me see, zoom in. My glass is on blue no. Can you read that?
Butler Rock Road. See, that's saying we're here.
Oh yeah, and we're a little north of there.
Well, I think we're here somewhere.
Yes, right,
I think
yeah.
these are snowmobile.
Right, that's where I think we are, right here.
Yeah.
So we got to go north, almost, if you look at my map, the Polaris map, it says northeast, and then to go west.
Yeah, actually shows a few different routes going up out that way.
That's still east.
East is that way, yeah, that's east.
I mean, that looks north to me, but I'm confused.
Where are you trying to get here? Here?
Well, eventually we want to get up here, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to go grab some grass and some lunch.
Exactly, that's what we were thinking. Well, are you guys going to Diamond Dave's? Yes.
Yeah.
There's what did we find?
There's a few of them over
So
there.
you guys are trying to get the same place we're getting. That's what we're getting at.
Well, you go that way, we'll go that way, see if we meet.
There you go.
we're gonna go left. I don't know.
All right.
We gotta go that way anyway, so we'll try that. See what happens.
Sounds good.
I did.
Okay, let's see it. As long as you got enough gas, you can go all day long.
We got gas.